Imagine this. A cat with a slice of buttered toast attached to its back drops from the sky.
Wait, what? A buttered cat? How does that even work?
It sounds absurd, but it raises fascinating questions about physics and paradoxes. It's known as the buttered cat paradox.
Right. This clever concept combines two well-known ideas, that cats always land on their feet, and that buttered toast usually lands buttered side down.
So if you drop a cat with toast on it, what happens?
Well, that's the crux of the paradox. It was first popularized by artist John Frazee in a 1993 competition. It caught a lot of attention.
The buttered cat paradox is considered a quintessential thought experiment.
So what makes it a thought experiment?
It challenges our understanding of gravity and motion. Some even jokingly suggest it creates an anti-gravity effect.
Anti-gravity. How on earth would that work?
As the cat falls, it supposedly begins to rotate. It reaches a point where both the buttered toast and the cat's feet try to land, leading to this bizarre hovering effect.
Remarkably, this concept inspired Kimberly Miner's award-winning short film titled Perpetual Motion.
Wow, a whole film about this weird idea?
Yes, it was based on a high school friend's paper about the implications of the paradox.
So how has this paradox made its mark in the world of humor?
It's been a goldmine for science-oriented comedians. For example, in a 1992 issue of Usenet Oracle Digest, someone asked about its validity.
There's also a comic strip, Jack Be Quick, where the protagonist attempts to test the theory.
They actually tried this in a comic. What happened?
The character ends up with the cat hovering above the ground. It's a clever twist that brings humor to the paradox.
Not to mention, the Brazilian energy drink brand Flying Horse created an acclaimed commercial simulating this phenomenon.
That's incredible. But can it really generate perpetual energy?
Now that's a tricky question. It plays with the fun of the idea without breaking the laws of physics, at least not yet.
So is there any real science behind this paradox?
Absolutely. Cats have a remarkable ability known as the cat riding reflex, allowing them to always land on their feet.
But here's the twist. A study from Manchester Metropolitan University revealed that when you drop buttered toast, it tends to land butter side down 81% of the time.
That's a huge percentage. How does that happen?
It all comes down to how toast rotates as it drops, along with the aerodynamic drag from the toast's structure.
The insights from these experiments challenge conventional beliefs and highlight how context influences outcomes.
This is so fascinating, but if we attach a buttered toast to a cat in a controlled setting, what would happen?
That's the real question. If anyone has thoughts about this or has conducted similar experiments, please let everyone know in the comments.
Indeed, it would be intriguing to explore further, especially with the ongoing curiosities about gravity and object dynamics.
I can't wait to see what our listeners come up with regarding this unconventional situation.